You do not need a bigger team to grow faster. You need better systems. And right now, most small business owners are leaving money on the table. Not because they're bad at their job, but because they're doing by hand what a system could do for them overnight. This video is about fixing that. I'm going to show you 5 AI systems you can set up this week. Each one handles a part of getting customers that you're probably still doing manually. And by the end, you'll know exactly which ones to start with. Here's the situation most of you are in. A lead comes in. Maybe it's a form fill, a DM, a phone call, it doesn't matter. You're busy, you're on a job, you're with a client, you're putting out some other fire, so you get back to them later. Maybe a few hours, maybe the next morning, and they've already hired someone else. That's the brutal truth about how leads work in 2026. Speed wins, not skill, speed. The person who responds fastest often gets the job. And here's the other problem. Even when you do follow up, you're often writing the same email over and over. You're manually copying contact info into a spreadsheet. You're trying to remember who you talked to last week. It's exhausting and it doesn't scale. You can't clone yourself. But you can build a system that works like you, faster. The businesses winning right now aren't bigger than you. They just respond faster and they follow up smarter. That's it. That's a significant competitive advantage. An HVAC company in Phoenix, a solo consultant in Austin, a salon in Chicago, all of them generating more leads with the same team size because they stopped relying on memory and started relying on systems. So let's build your system. 5 tools, real workflows, exact steps. Let's go. HubSpot CRM with AI features. The problem it solves, you have no central place to track your leads. Where is your lead list? Phone? Notes app? Honestly, I don't really have one. HubSpot is a CRM and the free and affordable tiers are genuinely good. First, connect your contact form to HubSpot. Every new lead goes straight in, automatically. Second, the CRM helps you organize and prioritize that lead based on their behavior. Ranks them so you know who to call first. Third, you set up a reminder sequence, so no lead ever falls through the cracks again. A plumbing company owner in Atlanta was tracking 30 leads a week in a Notes app, closing 1 in 6. After, leads go into HubSpot automatically. His close rate significantly improved over time, same team, increased conversions. HubSpot free tier, free to start. Flexible paid plans are available as you grow. Link is in the description. Claude or ChatGPT for personalized outreach and proposals. The problem? Writing custom proposals takes forever. Every prospect wants a proposal that feels just for them, but you don't have time, so most send something generic. Here's the shift. You build a proposal template, then feed it to AI with 3 bullet points about the prospect. In under 2 minutes, you have a proposal that reads like you spent an hour on it. A marketing consultant uses a master template. She pastes it into Claude, adds 3 sentences, and asks it to rewrite. Before, 45 minutes per proposal. After, she sends 15 to 20 a week. Revenue saw significant growth in 4 months. Claude has a free tier. ChatGPT Plus offers affordable subscription options. Link in the description. TDO or Intercom Fin, website chat that qualifies leads while you sleep. Someone lands on your site at 10 p.m. They have a question. No chat, no response. They leave. You lost that lead. This is where live AI chat changes everything. TDO is built for small biz, Intercom Fin for enterprise. You train the chatbot on your FAQ. The AI handles common questions day or night. It qualifies the lead for you. It asks, what service do you need? Timeline, budget. By the time it hits your inbox, you know who they are. A house cleaning company in Dallas was spending significant time on inquiries. TDO filtered many out. Owners spent much less time on leads instead of 2 hours. And the leads that came through, ready to book. TDO starts free. Affordable plans are available for growing teams. Link in the description. Zapier, auto-routing new leads from any source into your CRM and follow-up sequence. The problem, your leads are coming from many different places. Instagram, Google, email, every source is manual. Think of Zapier as the plumbing that connects your tools together. This happens here, that happens there, automatically. A real estate agent gets leads from Facebook, her website, and Zillow. Before, 45 minutes of manual copying. After Zapier, every lead goes into HubSpot, triggers a personalized welcome email in under 5 minutes, closed extra deals. Zapier free tier handles several zaps. Affordable entry-level plans are available, worth every penny. Link in description. Bravo, AI email sequences that nurture leads automatically. The problem, most leads aren't ready to buy immediately. You follow up once, maybe twice. Then it feels awkward, so you stop. And they buy from someone who kept showing up. Brevo solves this. You write 5 to 7 emails. Each delivers value. A tip, a case study, a testimonial. You set them to send over 14 to 21 days. Every new lead goes in automatically. Set it once, runs forever. A business coach in Seattle used Claude to draft a 10 email sequence. Her conversion rate significantly increased. Better follow up. Bravo free tier handles your initial needs. Competitive pricing for growing lists. Link in description. Now, you're not going to set up all 5 today, and you don't have to. Here's how to think about it. If you're just starting, start with HubSpot and Bravo. Gets your leads organized and follow-up automated. If you have a website getting traffic, add TDO. Let the AI qualify your leads around the clock. If you're already running and leads come from multiple sources, add Zapier. It's the glue. The power move is this stack: HubSpot plus Zapier plus Bravo. Affordable starting cost total. Replaces 10 to 15 hours a week. Now I've put together a free resource. It's called the AI Customer Acquisition Playbook. Download link in description. Grab it, because watching this video is one thing. Actually building the workflow is what changes your business. Subscribe. Every video we make is one complete playbook. Real tools, real workflows, real results.